This is going to be your ProtectionPro Lite starter kit. We'll start out by removing the tape and opening the box. First thing you'll see unboxing is your Lite 3 checklist. It's only 3 things: your Lite Pro mat, component box, and the wrapped Lite machine. Start by removing the component box. This, with the foam on the sides, is going to be your machine and the power cord. Underneath, you've got your ProtectionPro cutting mat. And this white box is just a filler. This is your Express 4 component kit. Opening up the lid, you've got scan here. This will tell you a little bit of welcome information, getting started with the component kit and your ProtectionPro machine. On the inside cover, you can scan this QR code. It'll show you instructions for downloading the ProtectionPro app and setting up the cutting machine. Inside, the first thing you see, this is going to be your Express and your Lite 3 component checklist. Your training envelopes. Inside each envelope, there's going to be 4 training blanks and 1 Ultra 2 film. You can practice and test it out 4 times, and by that time you'll be a pro and you can install the Ultra 2 film on your own device. Got your Pro install mat. This is going to be a non-stick pad that you can stick down and put your device on top so it stays in place during installations. This is going to be your OTG cable. This is for a wired connection if you prefer not to use Bluetooth. It also contains your blade and your blade adapters. Your ProtectionPro tweezers. These can pluck out any of the cutouts. Your 4-inch dry install squeegee. And your 4-inch Pro install squeegee. This one's for wet installations. This is going to be your standard cable adapter and a USB-C cable adapter. New microfiber cloth. This can be used to clean off the device and to wipe off any gel. Your new Pro install gel. This is going to be used for all of your new ProtectionPro installs. And last, the ProtectionPro cleaning wipes. These will be the first thing used to clean off the device before your installations. Inside the brown triangle that was on top of the machine, your charger is going to be on the inside. You got 2 tabs. Open out the bag. Your charger is going to come in 2 separate pieces. You'll connect this port into here. Depending on your country, you'll have different connectors, but this side will remain the same to plug into the machine. Our Lite 3 machine, to unbox, you'll remove the foam pieces off the sides. And remove the tape. Should be a couple pieces on the sides. Opening the lid, you're all set up, and you just need to plug in your power cable on your right hand side. Press the power button. Your Bluetooth logo has a little light right there. No light means Bluetooth is disconnected and not ready for pairing. If you tap it one time, it should turn blue. Blue means it's ready to pair, and it will turn purple after you've paired Bluetooth.